Good morning, traders. This is the Stock Sumo reporting with BlueHorseshoeStocks.com, and we're doing a quick video chart update on Pazoo Inc. That's ticker symbol PZOO. This is the third video chart update that we put out on this ticker. Going back a couple weeks, we first started talking about this one back here when it was trading around the 2.5 cent range. And we've had a nice, solid, steady move up. Yesterday, we broke some key resistance. That's why I want to do this video chart update this morning. Notice we had some resistance here around 038. The stock recently came off a bottom, came up here, ran into some resistance, and couldn't get over that hump. Yesterday, had a slight gap up, and it established a higher high. Ran as high as 042. Going back to our prior video charts, we were looking for the stock to get above the 200-day moving average. We wanted to see it hold support above the 50-day moving average. So we've been holding on to all our gains and extended those gains yesterday, and the stock is setting up exactly how we wanted to see. When we first put out our first video chart, we wanted to see the RSI get above the 50 line. Since then, we got above the 50 line, and the RSI has maintained support above the 50 line. So that's showing some strength. Notice the RSI is pointing north. We'd like to see that RSI continue its climb up, get up here in that 70 to 90 range. That'll give us another breakout. Usually when the RSI pushes up in the power zone, you tend to see a breakout, just like what we saw back in September when the RSI ran all the way up here. You had that nice breakout, and that's going to bring us to our next key resistance at a nickel. So we got resistance at 5 cents, and then after 5 cents you got resistance right back here at 6.5 cents. So there's still some room for some nice upside if we can maintain support above our prior resistance. That's what we're going to be looking for on the future here. Notice this resistance area around 036, 038 was a prior support. Back here in June, the stock had a consolidation off of reaching those highs at 6.5, consolidated, and it held support right here around 036, 037 range. So that prior support, we want to see that hold as future support. A nice thing about this 50-day moving average is it's starting to curl up. Notice the 50-day moving average is starting to move up. This looks like it's setting up for a golden cross. We want to see the 50-day continue to keep rising, and if it can get above that 200-day, that's going to be a big, great signal. We love seeing the golden cross formation anytime the 50-day moving average breaches the 200-day, so we'll be on the lookout of that. We like how the MACD is currently showing positive divergence. These lines are splitting apart just like we want to see. Notice we had that bullish cross that we were looking for, and the stock has been maintaining those gains and inching up right along here, building higher lows, higher highs, maintaining our uptrend. So we want to be on the lookout for that. We want to see it establish higher highs, higher lows, and continue its uptrend. Definitely want to keep Pazoo on our watch list. This has been a great play the past couple weeks, and it's been gearing up, setting up for its next leg up. Let's see what it can do today on the heels of the news. Go check out that news and keep Pazoo at the top of your watch list. Be sure to stop by our blog, BlueHorseshoeStocks.com, for updates on PZOO. And good luck out there, traders.